There are people right now charging $500 to $1,000 per month for an AI receptionist that takes less than an hour to set up. And the crazy part is most businesses don't even know this exists yet, which makes this one of the best beginner-friendly business models out there online. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how this works, how to set it up, and how to start getting clients as a complete beginner, even if you have zero experience. So I'm not going to waste any of your time. Let's just jump right into this and let me show you what an AI receptionist is. So this is an AI receptionist. And if you don't know what that is, it is an AI robot that can answer the phone and do sales and customer support 24/7 for a business like this. So let me lay out exactly what we're going to be doing in this video because I just want to get right into it because I don't want to waste your time, as I said before. First things first, showing you how to set up this AI agent, demoing it, then really how to get it in the hands of local businesses using my special self-selling sales demo, which I'll show you again. And guys, I'm going to give you an AI agent for free. It's going to be awesome. And then more importantly, how to charge businesses anywhere from $297 to $497 per month for this custom AI receptionist that will answer their phones. Now, I want to let you know before we hop into this, I don't have some high-ticket coaching program or some outdated course to sell you. None of that. Everything I'm going to show you in this video is going to be free from me, so don't worry about that. I also want to let you know that I've actually done this, unlike a lot of the other gurus online. I have sold as a local business owners. I've walked the walk. I've even won awards doing so, as you see on the screen right here. So if you're wondering, why should I listen to this guy in a robe? Well, I have done this and it's worked for me, and I just want to help you with something that hopefully will work for you because I think this is the best business model in 2026 and beyond that I have seen, especially for beginners, because you're about to see just how simple this is. So the first important point about understanding this and having more success selling this is knowing why it is valuable and knowing why businesses will pay month after month if you set it up right. Let me explain. So essentially, business owners, when they miss a call, okay, they lose hundreds of dollars, sometimes thousands if they're a higher ticket like a law firm or something like that. So they are actually feeling this pain all the time. And to hire on a new person to man the phones all the time costs a lot of money. Now, your whole goal is to slide in and solve that very specific problem. Because when you solve recurring problems like missing the phone calls every single month, you can make recurring money. That is the whole point of this. It's highly valuable. And the thing too is it's very sticky, meaning business owners have a hard time leaving you, okay, if you're actually solving one of the problems. Because guess what? If they cancel on you and they don't want to pay this anymore, they immediately have to go back to either missing leads or hiring someone else to do the phones. So they feel the pain immediately. You want services like this. All these other gurus online are super vague and they're like, try this, try that, because they've never actually done this. I have, so I understand just how valuable this is and how to make yourself indispensable to the business owner. And trust me, if you're trying to make any sort of recurring money, you need to offer things that are highly valuable. The great thing about this too is, and this is what makes this so powerful, okay, is that if you set this up right, they can get results very quickly. Unlike e-com, SMMA, any of these other business models, it may take months before you get a result. But if you set this up for any business, okay, you know, they're paying you $297, and then within 40 minutes to an hour, they get a phone call, and this, you know, goes in the CRM and books the lead. Guess what? Okay, you got them a win fast. Sometimes that could pay for the entire month, right like that. Guys, so important. Like, I'm trying to show you that this is the best business model. Also, something really, really cool that you're gonna see in just 1 second. These are so easy to set up. So easy. Because once you have a template, you can duplicate it, use an AI prompt just like this, which I'm gonna give you for free. Plug in plumber, HVAC, electrician, lawyer, put in a ChatGPT, and then copy and paste back into your AI receptionist, and boom, you have an AI agent for lawn care. You have an AI agent for HVAC. You have an AI receptionist for plumbing. You name it. You can create it like that. So not only can you be a complete idiot and like you don't know anything, which is totally fine, we all are at one point, and set this up, it also has high value. So now that you understand that, let's really dig into setting this up and going over finding clients and all this stuff, because this is where this stuff really gets powerful. So the way to set this up fast is by using a template. And I'm gonna give you this template for free, okay? Because it's gonna speed up this process, but this is how we're gonna make this much faster. And I'll show you how to get that just in a sec, but I first wanna go over how simple setup is. So once you have these templates, all you need to do is go through and change the business info if you want to change it for a business. So if you want to make it a different name, you would just change the name, change the agent name. You can change the voice if you want, and basic stuff like this, just changing the names. That's it. The settings and all the stuff of this AI agent are already set up. We don't want to go through and mess with it because it's already set up. Then under here, we just want to make sure we have the right knowledge base. And then if we're going to change the names like over here and over here and over here, we'll then go do that. Again, just changing basic business info, calendar's already plugged in. And then the last thing would just be finding a phone number, either porting their existing number into high level or buying a new one. I'll explain what high level is in a sec, or buying a new one for like $1. That's it. Once you've done that, you're done. Like I'm telling you, you can set this thing up in legit 3 minutes. I have videos where I go through and set this up in 3 minutes. No joke. You can drop a comment down below if you want to see that, but that is how simple this is. These AI receptionists are just, it's the simplest thing. I mean, it really is the simplest thing, and it provides that high value to justify the recurring price. A lot of other things online aren't like this. And if you don't believe me, go look and you'll see. It's really complicated. The thing about this is so cool is once we set up one, which I'm giving you for free so you have this template, we can then duplicate this and just get it again and again. So ignore these other AI receptionists. We're just going to focus on Rebecca. We can come right in here, click duplicate. We'll now have 2 Rebeccas. We change the name. Then we use this prompt I showed you earlier, slap into ChatGPT, then just copy, paste in all of the special information. And now we have a new AI agent going after landscaping, HVAC, realty, lawn care, you name it, we can now change it like that. So you guys see just how simple this is? And then if you're like, there's no way this is actually easy, he's holding back, just comment anything down below and I'll hook you up with another tutorial where I literally time myself. It's just so easy. There is nothing like this, and it is so valuable. And that's the thing that I tell so many people. I'm like, you want to be selling stuff that's ultra valuable. So I'm even going to demo this just to show you how powerful this is. I'm going to ask it questions to throw it off so you can see just how powerful these AI receptionists are, because they are extremely powerful. So let's jump into a demo right now. So I'm going to put in my number.
Hello, you've reached Evercrest Realty. This is Rebecca. How can I help you today?
Hey, Rebecca, how you doing? I am trying to fix my house and sell it because it looks terrible.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And hey, no worries about the house. We've seen it all, and trust me, a little TLC can go a long way when selling. We can help with everything from staging to pricing strategies to make sure your home shines and sells for top dollar. Want me to set up a free evaluation with one of our agents? They can guide you on what fixes will give you...
Yes, Rebecca, let's do it.
All right, let me check what appointment slots we have available for a free evaluation. Hang tight for just a moment. Here are some available slots for a free evaluation. Today, March 19th at 3 p.m., 5 p.m., or 7 p.m. Tomorrow, March 20th at 3 p.m., 5 p.m., or 7 p.m. Monday, March 23rd at 3 p.m., 5 p.m., or 7 p.m.
Let's do the earliest one, Rebecca, the earliest one, please.
Got it. The earliest available slot is today, March 19th at 3 p.m. Let me confirm your email to finalize the booking. I see we have your email as... Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
You're all set. Your free evaluation is booked for today, March 19th at 3 p.m. If you need anything else or have questions before then, just let me know.
I actually have a quick question. So 2 questions, actually. Number 1, how hard is it to sell my house? Like, what do I have to do?
Great question. Selling a house can feel like a big task, but with the right steps and guidance, it's totally manageable. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Preparation. This is where you'll want to focus on repairs, decluttering, and staging. A well-presented home can attract more buyers and better offers. Our agents can guide you on which fixes are worth it and which aren't. 2. Pricing. Setting the right...
So you see how powerful that was? That is the power of these AI agents. They can legit answer questions, walk you through booking appointment. They are incredibly powerful. And the crazy part about these AI receptionists is not only can we connect them to the phones to do the customer support and sales, we can actually put them on people's websites and make the website speak as well, like this.
Hello, you reached Evercrest Realty.
So we can go through there and we can essentially have it also talk to them. That's the power of this. We can put it in so many places, which again, increases the chances of the AI doing the job right, which makes you look better, meaning they will have less of a problem paying you if you're doing your job. Again, this is why we work smarter, not harder, and we leverage AI because it actually solves that recurring problem. So now that we understand how to set these up and what these are, we now need to go into what's probably the most important part, which is how to sell this to local businesses. And we're going to be using my proprietary AI sales demo that I'm telling you, you are going to absolutely love. Before they do that, I just want to let you know, this software I'm using and everything in here is called High Level. Now, relax. I'm not trying to sell you anything, okay? There's not going to be some sort of like, buy my 10K mastermind. I actually talked to the team to get you a 30-day free trial right down below so you can try all of this out for free. And if you don't like it, you can leave. No hard feelings. That's my whole goal here. But on top of that, because I don't want to just say use this amazing AI-powered software, goodbye, I actually want to give you a bunch of other amazing things with this. So I'm talking access to my entire private community, okay, all of my trainings, tons of live coaching calls you can attend every single week for free, where you can even talk to me on these and other amazing coaches via Zoom, okay, and get all of the hand-holding you could possibly need. We also have tons of these entire pre-made AI agents and AI receptionists that you can use for free, how to get clients trainings. I mean, literally everything you could possibly need. And all of that is free with that 30-day free trial link right down below. And no, it's not going to be you get in the group and then it's going to be, oh, pay me $10K to get access to my calls or this. It's all free. And again, you can try it for 30 days. And if you hate it, no risk. You can leave. No issue, no bad blood. We're all good. I just want to create something that has worked for me that hopefully will work for you, because I really believe this is the best business model in 2026 and beyond, because it has the most value and it's the easiest to set up. So again, if that interests you, check out that link right down below and get access to all those amazing free bonuses and get that hand holding that you deserve. So now it's time to go over selling this, which is so important. And the cool part is I have a self-selling AI demo. And that's not a guarantee that you're just going to get clients. You actually have to work the system and prospect, but it is absolutely insane. And no joke, people are reporting using my system right here that it legit sells people. Okay, this demo I'm about to show you, no joke. Check this out.
So Shayla, tell us about how many clients you have currently and just walk us through this entire process.
Yeah. So far, I have around 7. I started the program at the end of December, and we just rocking and rolling. They said, I can do so much with this guy. I said, well, are you open to talking more options to see how we can install him into your business? And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
And I have a ton more videos and stories just like that of people crushing it with this AI software. Again, using self-selling demos, it is the future. So let me show you exactly how we're going to be selling this to local businesses. So we're going to be using this self-selling demo you see right here. It is absolutely amazing. So essentially, you will send them, okay, this exact link, and it can just be from your dashboard. You can either text or however you do it. By the way, I'm going to link a cold calling video so you can see live how I did this. But essentially, when they come here, you just test the demo. So they come, they click anywhere. These arrows point right down here for them to talk to the AI agent. Once they click it, it then says this website is about to talk to you, ask questions, blah, 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 blah. And then from here, what ends up happening is it guides them through as if they are a client of said business. It walks through, they see how this works in their business. Then what it does is it brings them over to another AI agent that then sells them on said service. So first they're getting the demo, which is showing how this is going to actually make the money, which is huge. And then from here, it then starts talking to them. So if we click this right here.
Hey, I'm Maria. Did you check out the demo?
See, it's talking about that. Yes, I did. I loved it.
That's great to hear. What stood out to you the most?
See, it's going to go through, answer their questions, and then get them booked on a console or however you want to do it. Okay, so you can just go and collect payment if you've done this right. This right here is what's going to essentially sell them. This is what's going to close them. That way, if you suck at sales and you don't want to do this, or you're just lazy, this demo does that heavy lifting for you. So all you have to do is go in and wrap up the final touches and finish the sale. That is the goal with this. You want the AI agent to sell itself, just like in the videos you saw before. You want to leverage the power of AI. Okay, it's the way this works best. Because if you just yap on sales calls and I can do this, I can do that, it doesn't make any sense to these people. These people don't know what AI is. Like, why are you talking? Instead, show them. Don't tell them. And then from here, the AI does the heavy lifting. Again, all of this entire, demo and all this cool stuff is all free when you sign up for that 30-day free trial. It's all free. It is in my private community, which is just amazing. And the cool thing too about this is this took a ton of time for me to build. It's custom CSS, it's code I added into a website. You can get it for free. All you gotta do is set up a couple things and you're good to go. So that is how you're gonna be demoing local businesses. Okay, that's like essentially how you're gonna sell it. You just want them to go and try it out and follow this demo. Now, for finding local businesses, we have 2 different ways we're gonna be doing this. So we can come right into Google, okay? And there's 2 different ways we can sell said AI receptionists. Number 1 is we can go up to any of these businesses, okay, that basically aren't answering the phones after hours, which again, you can just call and figure it out. Like if you call them after hours when it says, closed or whatever, or any business that says closed at a certain point, that's a lead because they definitely get calls in the after hours. So that's the first way. Go and look for, when it's later in the evening, who's closed and who's open. And by the way, you can type in any niche and any sort of location and you'll have pretty much unlimited leads. Go through, check, see who needs it. From there, that's your first level leads. The second level leads, if you want to add this AI widget to their website, that can just be people where you click their website like this and you just see if they have an AI widget, which they're probably not going to have because no one really has it right now. And those are your other leads. So those are the two different ways you're going to find people very easily. Now there's other ways, of course, and I have videos on this if you're interested, but it just goes like forever. There's so many different ways. But from there, once you find your leads, you now need to reach out to them to get this demo in their hands. So you have multiple different ways. You can walk into their business. You can send them an email. You can send them a text message. Obviously, check your compliant laws and have opt-ins and stuff like that. You can send them a piece of mail. You can do a form submission on their website. You can cold call, which the video is going to be linked at the end so you can see this live, and so many other ways to reach out. From there, that's all you have to do is go in, talk to them, send them this demo and have it do the heavy lifting for you, and then just follow up repeatedly. That's it. A to Z, that's how you do it. It's not complicated. I didn't say it's easy, but it's not complicated. It's a very simple process. And again, if you guys are really wanting to make this work and you really are like, yo, this is what I want to do, you get access to all of my templates right down below for free and my community and calls to give you the handholding you need to do this. Now, again, there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme online. You have to work hard. But with AI, it makes it so easy. Like when I first started, I didn't have anything like this. I had to legit learn these super complicated sales techniques and all this shit that was so impossible. Now it's like, bro, you just let AI do the selling for you. So that's essentially how this entire thing works. You come in, you set up your AI agent, okay, you demo it to make sure it's legit. You use this exact sort of sales process, okay, and give it to local businesses, then following up with them, and then charge anywhere from $297 to $497 per month. You can go higher and solve that recurring problem. And once you have it set up and dialed in, it's very little work. That way you can start stacking these on top of each other and build that recurring income. Other than that, that's it. It is that simple. So if that interests you and you're like, yo, this is awesome, I want to do this, the link is right down below. Check it out. If you already have high level, you can also just check out my other videos and I have a bunch of free templates you can use. Either way, I have you covered. But what I want to do now, which is really important, is I'm going to link a video at the end of this video, which I highly recommend you watch. It's going to be me live cold calling and sending someone the demo on how this works. Okay? Really important. Really important. You got to do it. So please make sure you watch that video. Check it out. It is amazing. Okay, and if you have any questions at all, drop them down below. I'll answer personally. This is how transparent I am. If you hate this stuff and you're like, this shit sucks, drop it down below. We'll talk about it. I want to be transparent with you. I don't want to be like these other gurus that's like, hey, buy my course, do this, do that. No, I want to give you something that worked for me, that's free. And if you have any questions, I'm open. That is how serious I am that I believe this could possibly work for you. No joke. So again, drop them comments down below. Check out that link down below and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.